Hey, it's Kirby from Flora. Today we're going to talk about the Fiddle Leaf Fig. We're going to cover lighting, watering, and tips and common issues. So the Fiddle Leaf Fig has been a statement plant for several years. You see it in a lot of blogs, beautiful photos. And one thing that I've noticed is in these beautiful photos, it's never placed in the correct lighting. So I want to make sure that we cover that today because that is one of the most crucial elements to success with these. They like very bright light, so you want to put it right next to an east-facing window or a few feet from a south or west window. That light is a little bit stronger, so it can burn its foliage, so just pull it back a little bit. No northern exposure, but we do want to make sure that these are right in line with the light and there's no curtains or blinds blocking the light and no buildings next door obstructing the sun. So let's move on to watering. In bright light, you're going to water these around once a week. You just want to water them when the top couple inches of soil dries out. We recommend just sticking your finger down into the soil a couple inches and seeing if it feels dry. If it's still wet, wait a couple more days and check again. You want to take your watering can and fully saturate the soil until water starts to trickle out into the saucer. Just make sure you don't leave a lot of water sitting in the saucer after about 30 minutes. Just dump that out. Okay, some tips and common issues. If you're starting to see yellowing leaves or leaf drop, so the leaves are falling off, that is almost always connected to lighting. Also, not having enough light can lead to the soil staying too wet, which can lead to root rot. These guys are some of the most temperamental plants that you can have in your home, so you want to keep them away from air vents, avoid moving them around too much. You also want to avoid repotting these guys when it's not the growing season. The growing season is spring and summer, so they go dormant in fall and winter, so it's best to wait until the growing season starts again to repot them. If you feel like you have a good grasp on your lighting and your watering schedule and you're still seeing a downturn in health, check the leaves. You may encounter a pest issue. You'll want to inspect under the leaves and on any new growth, and new growth is going to be the lighter green leaves that are smaller up here. As always, feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. You can give us a call, email, or DM us on Instagram.